Hello and welcome to Technology Simplicity YouTube channel, and today I'm going to share with you if you can't access your WordPress website backend, especially you bump into an error like it's saying that it's a critical error on your website, and then they ask you to check your site admin email for further instructions, and you might need to troubleshoot your website but you don't know what to do. Okay, let me show you the easiest way, and 90% of the time it works because most of the time it can actually come from a bug-in conflict or perhaps an outdated plugin that caused the issue. So what you need to do is very simple. You access to your web hosting, perhaps a FTP or perhaps a cPanel or any other way. Okay, as long as your web hosting provider share with you the access, okay, you access to it, and you just make a minor twist and your website will come back. You do believe? Let me share with you. Let's go. Okay, let me repeat one more time. If your WordPress have critical error and how to fix it, this is the way that I've been using for the past 10 years and it's 90% success rate. Okay, I'm going to share with you guys today. Let's go. So very consider I have a website, okay, it's bumped into a critical error. Okay, as usual you want to go to wp-admin, if you can see here. Okay, I can't access regardless how. It just returned an error. So what you need to do, first of all, go to your cPanel, go to the website that you want, the one that you hosted, go to your WP content and look for the plugins. Okay, I'm sure you have a certain plugins installed in your website. So like I mentioned just now, it's paused properly because your plugin have a conflict or outdated stuff like that. Okay, very simple. Go to your WP-content and create a new folder. I will call it probably just plugin backup. Okay, a very simple way. You might feel like, okay, really that simple? Very simple. Just highlight all, move to the plugin backup that you created. Okay, so theoretically your plugin is empty right now, which means your WordPress website don't have any single plugin. Okay, once you've done that, you try and refresh your website. I'm sure you're gonna laugh that, oh, just like that, I'm logged in already. Okay, the reason I no need to log in using a username and password because it's already stored in my Chrome. But what I'm trying to tell you is, yes, voila, it's already there. So once you come here, you shall see, the plugin is inactive and then blah blah blah, stuff like that, right? Okay, it's fine, just refresh it, it doesn't matter. So what you're going to do next is do a little bit investigation by try and error method. What is try and error method is very simple. You just move the plugin that you move to another folder one by one to the folder to see which one is the one that caused your website error. For example, I start with Alchemist and I will refresh. Once you refresh, I'm going to activate one by one. I know it's taking time, but it's fine. At least you managed to access back to your website, right? As simple as that. Okay, if plugin doesn't work, most importantly is you can look at our themes as well. Okay, you can do the same. Go to this WP content, you can create a folder called themes backup. Okay, the folder name doesn't matter, you just create that one and you move all the themes up to the temporary folder that you created. It's very simple. Let me move here. Don't worry about the your website to have theme because it will eventually go back to the default one. It's fine as long as you manage to access your backend and you can start to configure it again. And it's the same steps. You just repeat in terms of moving back the themes one by one. Okay, this is not one by one. Moving back the themes one by one until you found the corrupted theme or plugin. Okay, once you move it back, it's supposed to be okay. Let's say one of the plugin or theme is corrupted. So once you move it back and then you activate, you shall see something that what you see just now, critical error, stuff like that, then you will know that is the guy that you need to avoid. So properly you need to reinstall, okay, download the latest version from somewhere else and reinstall again. So simple. See, not even 5 minutes you manage to fix a website, your WordPress website that bumped into a critical error, especially you can't access to your backend. It's very simple, right? If you feel that it's simple and it solves your problem, please like this video, share it with your friends as well as your other developer. Most importantly is subscribe to my channel so that I will share with you more about tips and tricks about WordPress, technology and stuff, as well as put a ring so that you will receive notification whenever I upload a new video like this. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope that it will help to solve your problem or perhaps give you some tips and idea about what you can do, especially if your WordPress website bumped into such a critical error issue. So that's all from me. Hope to see you again, and most importantly, stay home, stay safe for this pandemic time, and see you again. Take care. Bye bye.